St. Teresa's College has always been about empowering women, not just through academic excellence, but by preparing us to lead with purpose, integrity, and vision. It is a place that shapes you in thought, in action, and how you look at the world. It has constantly encouraged us to step outside the classroom, to engage in real world issues, and to lead with both empathy and courage. As a student at the Department of Economics and Center for Research, I became part of a unique initiative called the Student Leadership for Localizing SDGs. This was an all-girl-led project rooted in real-time governance, working to translate the Sustainable Development Goals or the SDGs into actionable and measurable outcomes at the Panchayat level. The project itself is a convergence of three major Government of India programs, namely the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, UBA or the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, and localizing SDGs. And it brought together a rare mix of stakeholders, from the Honourable Member of Parliament to the Panchayat officials, local communities, expert mentors, and us, a team of undergraduate students. I was fortunate to be the student lead of this initiative, where we worked closely with Kumbalangi Grama Panchayat to align their projects with SDGs. Along the way, we worked with Panchayat officials, conducted workshops, and helped build training materials that are now being shared with other colleges and institutions. These words truly affirm the belief that St. Teresa's College stands for empowering young women who just don't observe change but drive it. It would be very remiss of me not to mention the significant opportunity that I got when I got to co-edit and present the student-led budget proposals to the Ministry of Finance, to the Ministry of Commerce, and to the Kerala Legislative Assembly. Experiences like these have shaped me into someone who truly believes in her capabilities, as somebody who understands the value of systems level thinking, and into somebody that is ready to carry this work forward with clarity and conviction. St. Teresa's College has shown me what happens when institution truly believes in and supports student leadership, and I certainly hope to carry that forward with me wherever I go next.